slice this SlingShot Dailer surfboard right here, and then add foam in the middle. Right now, and it's 10 pounds. Take the grinder here and cut underneath the tape here, and then on this. Try this saw or this saw, but this saw is not doing it. Okay, with these fin tracks it caused problems. These are the thicker pieces of foam, smaller thickness, 2 inches there, and usually 1 inch thickness here in this pile. Okay, these are the first 2 pieces I'm going to glue together, and it's going to be right like that. 3 to glue together for the twin box. Okay, I got more than half of it already glued on the bottom portion. Smooth out the bottom or the top so the top can be glued on next. Okay, gluing the top now, and I've got a bunch of straps going over it and a lot of weight and some cracks in the router, this section out. First do the circular saw and just do slices, and then do the router last. The top and the bottom taped, and I'm going to first do the ends, the bow and the stern. And I got all the fiberglass cut. This is 6 ounce eagle. There's some of Woodvig's, Romeo's, and Archie's dog hair in there. Black toy poodle. There's some of Woodvig's, Romeo's, and Archie's dog hair in there. Black toy poodle. Okay, I'm going to first with the circular saw around the perimeter, and then with the router for the depth. 9 inches from the end of the track to the end of the routered this section off for the swing track, but I noticed there's some gaps here. Now there was one underneath it going crisscross, 1 layer of S2, and then 3 layers on the top.